বাচপন প্লে স্কুল সল্টলেক কলকাতা শাখার উদ্বোধন করা হয়েছে স্বনামধন্য সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া প্রভাবশালী মিসেস নন্দিতা দাগার। এই উদ্বোধন কর্মসূচিতে মিস দেবেন্দ্র চন্দ্র রায় জাতীয় প্রধান, বাচপন প্লে স্কুল কর্পোরেট অফিস দিল্লি, মিস আয়ুষ আগরওয়াল মাস্টার ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজি বাচপন প্লে স্কুল পশ্চিমবঙ্গ এবং অন্যান্য বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিবর্গরা সেখানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন। বাচপন প্লে স্কুলের অন্যান্য পয়েন্টগুলি হল রঙিন ধারণা কক্ষ, অডিও ভিজুয়াল রুম, পুতুল ঘর, জিম এলাকা, বিনামূল্যে কার্যকলাপ অঞ্চল, বালির গর্ত, ডাইনিং এরিয়া এবং প্রশস্ত ক্লাসরুম। বাচপন সল্টলেক শাখার শিক্ষকদের কর্পোরেট অফিস দিল্লি প্রশিক্ষকদের দ্বারা প্রশিক্ষিত করা হল। সল্টলেক শাখা BC 120 নিচতলায় অবস্থিত। সেক্টর 1 সল্টলেক কলকাতার এর প্রধান কার্যালয় দিল্লিতে। এই শাখার পরিচালকরা হলেন মিসেস সাকিনা হারাওয়ালা এবং মিস হোসেন হারাওয়ালা। এই শাখাটি BC 120 নিচতলায় অবস্থিত, সল্টলেক এবং সেক্টর 1 এ অবস্থিত।
Bachpan Play School is a national level pre-primary education establishment for 2 to 6 years of old children. It has got 4 classes, playgroup to UKG. It has got more than 1200 branches in 400 locations in the country. Apart from India, it has got 4 branches in Nepal also. So Bachpan is an international level branch. There is a question from the parents end, why Bachpan, why not other schools? In order to answer this particular question, I will say the Bachpan pedagogy or the education imparting mechanism based on 4 very important factors. Those are the pillars of a play school. One is the concept room, another is the execution tool, third one is the study materials, and fourth one is the activity. Now, whenever we train our teachers, because Bachpan across the nation in Nepal, teachers are trained. I'm DC Roy, National Head Training and Support, taking care of the whole country's recruitment, training, support system, and then the parents orientation program. So whenever we train teachers, teachers, we tell them to take care of the child psychology, because child, when they come from the different background, financial background to social background, okay, accordingly they are they have got their mindset. So each and every child is unique. So in order to take care of each and every child, you need to know the child. Moreover, we have got our own study materials. We have got our everything uniform and other things and all. And time to time, we will be educating the parents also in order to take care of the children, because these days parents have got very little time to give to the children. Even mothers are also working. So that is the reason they need education. In the overall upbringing process, mother plays a very important role. So in that case, mother should be educated how to take care of the children. So we'll be conducting even in the Salt Lake branch also, which got inaugurated today. How to take care of the children, how to make them study, how to make them learn, how to behave with them, what kind of environment should be there at home for the proper conducive environment, so that the child gets nurtured in a proper environment. All these things, okay, will be educating our parents. Bachpan Play School offers the quality education. This is the best play school in the country with foolproof mechanism at affordable cost, so that every economic section of the people or a person from any economic background can send their children over here for the quality education. We'll be preparing children for the formal education system. If a child passes from Bachpan Play School Salt Lake or any Bachpan Play School, in that case, whenever the child goes for any kind of formal education system, easily he will get admission in class 1, he or she, because the way we'll be preparing them. If the donation is the criteria, then it's a separate issue altogether. But if the merit is the criteria, so no school can deny admission to the ex-Bachpanite children. Bachpan is the only complete play school in the country as a whole. Jai Hind.
Sir, tell me your name.
Yeah, I'm DC Roy, Devendra Chandra Roy, National Head Training and Support. I'm taking care of the whole country's recruitment, training, support system and the parents orientation program. I'm working with a company since last 22 years. बचपन के उम्र 20 साल है, मेरा कंपनी के साथ एसोसिएशन 22 साल का है, और जो मैं दिल्ली के हूँ, क्योंकि बचपन के हेडक्वार्टर दिल्ली में है.
Because I wanted to give quality education to the age group of 2 to 6 years children, and the concept which we are giving is completely different from the other schools. The EV rooms, Pico Pen, gym at the early stage itself, so that the students exercise, all this concept from the early stage itself we want to implement with the child.
Tell me why you started Bachpan.
Actually, my wife used to give a home tuitions, and lot of tuitions she used to give. Before some days only, she said me that let's start with an educational institute or something like play school or an. Then I asked her to go for different type of franchises, see different school, and let me know what your thoughts on that. She took all around many franchises, she spoke and everything. Then she landed up to Bachpan. Then she kept his mind that I want to go with Bachpan only because the studies, material, what they are providing, the concept, what they are providing, that is totally different from any other play school in this